Hello friends, how are you? And in today's video I'm gonna tell you that how you can create logos just like this and this by simple use of AI, and this will take only 1 to 2 minutes, no more than that. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and search for ideogram.ai. When you open, you see this type of an interface. Simply continue with Google, or you can also with Apple ID. You see this, I have no plan, this is totally free of cost. Then you can create almost 10 to 20 logos per day without any charges. That's mean totally free. Just log in and create logos. What do you want to create? Now this is the main step. I provided a basic prompt in the description, like create a logo for my YouTube channel. I already entered a prompt in the description, so you can also copy and paste it here. Like I create motivational logos, gaming logos, and also Islamic logos. Like this is not for a specific category, like you can only create gaming logos or tech logos. You can create all type of logos. Simple use of a prompt. Create an motivational logo for my YouTube channel named Believe on Failure in black and white theme. Just give a basic prompt, and after that it will create a detailed prompt for you. Copy it and paste it here and select the ratio. Like logo is only used in 1:1 ratio. If you use magic prompt, then simply paste it here and select on off. And if you need some changes, then you click on on. And this is the main step. And after, click on generate. Your logo production is ready, and it takes only 5 to 10 seconds, no more than that. And after that it will create logos just from your text. And there you go, our logo is ready. There is some mistakes, like this shape is not suitable for this. Which logo you like the most? Like in my case, I create another, and after 1 to 2 tries you get your logo. There you go. Now this is some much better, and this is also better, but there is some mistakes in the text, like this is not included in this. If you like this, then simply download it as your desktop. When you open in your Windows 10 or 11, no matter how is it, simply click on edit, and there is an option appear in this like magic eraser. Simply click on OK, auto apply, select on off, and then simply zoom in and select the area you want to remove. Like decrease the size of brush and select all of this, like the same I doing, and simply click on erase. And after some seconds this will happen. So I entered many prompts in the description for your gaming logo, for your motivational logo. Which category you need, simply comment me and I will send you a specific logo for this. Okay, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss latest updates, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.